Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects from Jira to Linear step by step clearly. Begin by preparing your Jira project for export. Log into your Jira account and navigate to the project you wish to transfer. Ensure that all tasks and issues are updated and organized for a smooth transition. Next, export your Jira project data. Click on the project settings and find the Issues section. Select the option to export, and choose the format that suits you best. Typically CSV is recommended. Download the exported file to your computer. Now, log into your Linear account. On the Linear dashboard, create a new project that will correspond to your Jira project. Open the CSV file you previously downloaded from Jira. In Linear, navigate to the Import feature, usually found in the Settings or Project options. Choose the CSV upload option and select the file you just downloaded. Map the fields in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Linear. Make sure all necessary fields are matched correctly, including titles, descriptions, and status. Once you've confirmed the mapping, proceed with the import. Review the projects and issues in Linear to ensure that everything transferred correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to tasks or settings in Linear post-import. Finally, test the new setup by running through a few tasks to ensure everything works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.